The L404 is a Lua-based truck in-out program designed for the 457 and 423 series instrumentation. The L404 comes packed with standard features like internal database, wireless truck identification, and QWERTY or USB keyboard abilities. The keys on the QWERTY keyboard can be used to recall, print, enter, and even delete trucks without having to touch the 423. In this demonstration, you can see we're IDing or we're recalling IDs that are already stored in the instrument using the up and down, enter, and escape keys, as well as the F1 and F2 keys on the QWERTY keyboard. If you're interested in learning more about the L404 application, please reach out.